everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to uninstall recently installed updates on Windows 11 computer. Now first, right click on Start and go to Settings. And now click on the last option, Windows Updates, on your left side. And click on the second option, Update History. Here you can able to see the option Uninstall Updates. Just click on that arrow icon. Here you can able to see your recently installed updates. And this is my recently installed updates on my Windows computer. If I need to uninstall this, I need to click uninstall this update. After uninstalling this, you need to restart your PC. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.